Hi there. This is me working out the second problem-solving problem you have on the page. It says take a piece of aluminum that's a certain length long, and it gets heated up for a certain amount of degrees, and find out how long the piece is after it's been heated. So not only are we going to find the change in length, but we're going to add it to the original length and then show that it's that much longer. Not a big deal. So to find that change in length, all we do is solve this coefficient equation just for the change in length. And we know that all we had to do is multiply to get that out of there. And now we have the change in length all by itself. Alpha times the original length times the change in temperature gives me my change in length, which makes perfect sense. Because if you heat that substance a certain amount, and the substance has this coefficient, this idea of how much it expands per degree, and you find out how much that is, then you'll see that that's the total that it's changed. So here we go. We're going to take that coefficient, which is 25 times 10 to the negative 6 per degree Celsius. All right, we're going to multiply it by our original length, which is 2.4 meters. And our change in temperature was 340 degrees. Now your change in temperature is a little bit different in the homework, but that's okay. These units are going to cancel out. We're going to be left with just meters. That's how that works. I don't know. Just keep thinking of making sure your units cancel correctly. I know it's been a long time since I've harped on that, but it's still a pretty big deal. When you multiply this times this times this, I've already done it, you would come up with 0.0204 meters. Okay? Seems pretty insignificant, but that's actually 2 centimeters of expansion, just the molecules inside that aluminum expanding. So that's quite a bit of expansion. Think 2 centimeters, there you go. That's almost 2 centimeters right there. And if this was a door inside a door frame and it expanded 2 centimeters, it might stick, right? So it happens if there's a huge change in temperature. Sometimes things stick. But we're going to add that to our original number. And we're going to see, sure, in the grand scheme of things, it's not changing half a meter. It's not changing, it's not doubling its size, but it is expanding quite a bit. So the answer here would be 2.42 meters. Okay? And, if we were still talking sig figs, we'd still say it's 2.4 meters, but I want you to be able to show me that you understand that there are 2 centimeters added onto this. Thank you.